What's up, fam? How are you doing today? So today we're going to be making 3 simple, easy purse concepts. We got 2 pink and a black. We got a lot of stuff right here on the table. But before we jump into making these baskets, I want to welcome you if you're a new subscriber, and if you've been here before, I want to say thank you and welcome back. I appreciate you for coming to view my channel. Let me introduce myself. My name is Danny. My channel is Malika's Creation, which Malika is my middle name. So yeah, and Malika's creating things. So let's jump on in and get to creating these simple basket concepts. With this first one right here, if I didn't tell you, we got 3 that we're going to do. With this first concept, we're going to go with this pedicure set ensemble, 4-piece. We're going to have some lotion, because you know you need some lotion out with your pedicure. Then we got some little spray that we're going to add on up into it. And then we're going to add this little sign that says our happy place. Because when you take care of yourself, when you do self-care, you should feel happy about it, because you're taking care of self. And if you don't take care of self, then how are you going to take care of anybody else? So self-care, self-love is the best thing in the world. So the next one we're going to do, we're going to add some Bath and Body Works on up into the mix. So we got this cucumber milling body cream. We also got the body wash. We got some face masks, since we're going with the green concept. And then this is not green, but we're going to put it up in there. We got the face roller, you know, after you get through taking your mask off. Put that in there. Then we got another foot ensemble. So we got this collagen foot cream. We got this Pumbaa thing for your feet from the Dollar Tree. Then we also got this little pedicure set right here from the Dollar Tree. And that's all for that basket. Just a quick grab and go, inexpensive basket concept. Well, this one might be expensive, but the rest of them, not so much. So let's jump right on in. Let's get to creating these baskets. I don't want to hold y'all long, so let's go. We're going to put that box right there. Let's scoot this over so we can see. We're going to put this back here somewhere. I think I got some tape this time. And we're going to tape it. No, we're not. No, we're not. No, we're not. We're going to add a glue dot to it. That's double-sided tape. Don't mind my nails, because I got on, I put on some press-ons, and I put on nail glue. I usually put on super glue, and you got to go back and do them on the ones that popped off. I just got bored and added them on there today. Y'all see these 2 still on there because they on there with super glue, so I got to soak them off. And I had a French manicure the last set. So we're going to do that one right there. I'm doing it kind of, I'll probably paint these pink, because I got, they representing breast cancer survivors, fighters, and, you know, maybe dealing survivor. That means you done got through it. Fighter means you're fighting it right now. And yeah, that's another one, but I can't think of it right now. Survivor, fighters. Can't think, and I don't want to keep on thinking about it, but I know fighting means you're in it right now. So if you're fighting breast cancer, I want to say that I'm praying for you. I know how it is, and the toll that it takes on your body is terrible, terrible, terrible. You'll never be that same person you was before you got cancer. So don't think you will be. You will never be. Just thank the Lord that you lived through it and that you can say now that you are a survivor. So we're going to add this lotion on up in there, and we're going to tack it to the back of that. So yeah, so how is the weather in y'all town? What are y'all doing for today? This is my last video for today. I think I'm at 3. I say it's my last, but I get bored and come back in here and start back recording. Just trying to move some stuff up out of here so God can bless me to receive more. You know, when we hold on to stuff, God can't, he don't have room to send more because we're holding on to it, to what we already have. You know? So, yeah. Don't be holding on to things. Be a blessing to somebody so you can receive your blessing. God wants us to bless others so he can bless us. Yep. That's how it goes. And then we're going to put the little happy place thing right up there. Like that. And then in those little spaces in the front, we're going to add some, I think I pushed that kind of sideways. We're going to add some shred. Simple concept, cheap and expensive basket. That's what we're going for today. So yeah, I think that's it. I might add some more after we get off of there if I'm not satisfied with. But right now, this is what we're going with. And we're going to add some purple shred. In here. Like that. That's 7 minutes. Go, Dana, go. I don't like to make long videos because people don't be wanting to watch your long videos. They barely want to watch your videos. But we're going to make them. We're going to make our videos so they can watch them. We're working on improving ourselves. And that's what we need to do, guys. We need to work on improving things that we're not satisfied with. If you're not satisfied with something, work on making it better. And, yeah, that's what I'm doing. Working on making my channel better. And I know I'm going to get there. Because I have faith that God is going to get me there. Yeah. And stay focused on you. Don't focus on nobody else's journey and wonder how they doing. You don't know. Don't wish to be like nobody because you don't know what it took to get what they went through to get where they at. Just focus on your own goals. Fight towards your own success. Accomplish your own success. Keep your eyes focused in front of you. Don't worry about nothing that happened yesterday because you can't change nothing that done happened in your past, yesterday, last year. Let it go and focus on what is to come. What is to come. Meditate and pray. Believe. You got to believe that it's going to happen. You got to believe that it's going to happen. It's going to happen for you. If you believe it, it's going to happen for you. You can't talk negative and think you're going to get positive because nothing negative come out of negative. It don't work like that. So stop speaking about that I can't. That ain't even a word. It shouldn't even be in your vocabulary because God told us that we can do all things through Christ that strengthens us. So you can do it. Get up, get to work so you can achieve your goals. Yes. So we're going to go on to this one right here. And this one is going to be the Bath and Body Works. So we're going to place that one right there. Place the body wash next to it. And then we're going to get these things to where they ain't going to move. We'll do with that. Yeah. So be positive. Get around somebody that's gonna, don't stay around nobody that's negative. Because you will become what you hang around. Get around somebody that's gonna push you to be your better self. And watch how much that you achieve by being around somebody that's positive, that's rooting for you, that's uplifting you. Find your circle of friends that's gonna push you to be your best self. And then if you don't, if you just a loner and you just want to be by yourself, then you push you to be your better self. You should be learning stuff new every day, or wanting to learn something new every day, or like you gotta push your own self. Push yourself to be better every day. Push yourself to be a better you. Push yourself to do something more than what you did yesterday. That's how we become better. Like, that's how we become better. It's like pushing ourselves to do things that we don't think, well, we can do anything. That, yeah, when we get a thought in our head, then the enemy put in our head that, oh, you can't do that, or ain't no way you're going to achieve that. And then we let that negative mindset get into us, and sometimes we bottle and get stuck there. Don't get stuck there. Don't get stuck there. If you stuck, ask the Lord for strength. Ask Him to help you to get out of that negative space that you're in. Go out. Staying in the bed, staying in the house, not getting no vitamin D, it produces depression after a while. Did y'all know that? It produces depression. And then once you get the depression go, sometimes you wallow and you stay there. Please don't do that. Find you somebody that you can talk to. Go out and enjoy your yard. Walk down the street. Go to the store, even if you have to window shop. Just get out and do something, because depression is real. And usually around this time, a lot of people start being depressed, But get out of that house. I don't like that pink in there, so that's that one. You got the face mask in there. We got to add something else though. So that's that one. We could go on to the other one. I can't work sitting there. But don't get into a stuck place. Get out. Go somewhere. Go do something. Go for a ride. Go to the park and walk around. Just don't get stuck in that place. We're going to add this one to this one. So we got foot face. We got the cream. Trying to think, do I got something else around here I can put into this one? We all off. We ain't got no color codes going here. I like to stay with the colors, but since we can't, it's all right. It's all right. Use what you got. You don't have to always be color coded. Use what you got. We're gonna put this face thing in there. Ew, I hate it sticking up. And then I'm gonna find some face cream and put in this one. Uh-oh. I don't know if I lost y'all or what. I hope not. I'm gonna find a mask to put in here behind there. And I think this is gonna be all of that one. I've gotta find, I probably will put a loofah. I got a loofah right here. That'll match that, I think. Oh, yeah. I do, guys. So that's gonna be, we're gonna put that right there to take up that little space. And push it down so it don't be sticking above there. I might have to get some more paper and lift those up so you can see, because that loofah. But this is the end. This is gonna be that one. When I get them wrapped, guys, I'll come back on here and show you. And if I add anything to that one, I'll show y'all. But these are the 3 simple concepts. We got a face mask. We got a body, some body butter. We got a body wash and a loofah. Simple, to the point, because it's already Bath and Body Works, so we don't want to put it too high where nobody can afford it. This is just a grab and go, inexpensive basket. We got the little pedicure stuff. We got the lotion to wipe on our feet when we get through doing all of that. We got some smell good, and then we got a little sign that says our happy place. Simple, plain, and ready to go. I might add some chapstick or lip gloss in that. And that one. And this one, we're gonna add a face mask or something to complete this one, because we got the lotion for the feet and the feet stuff to work on your feet. We're gonna add a mask. Let's see if I got a mask somewhere close. No, we don't have. What is that? No, just for the body. We don't have no mask gloves, but I do got one, and I'm probably gonna slip it in there. But guys, I want to thank each and every one of y'all. I'm gonna go back and add like something uplifting, a little card or something to this, a little sign, something to uplift them when they get this basket, to uplift their spirits and let them know that God is right there. We got to understand that God will never leave us nor forsake us. So whatever we go through, God is right there. All we have to do is call on him. Don't ever think that God is not listening. He is right there with us. So I'm finna get up out of here. I'm at 16 minutes, guys, but I guess that's good for 3 little baskets, right? I want to thank each and every one of y'all for joining me. I really, really appreciate you all. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, thumbs up. Drop down in the comment section and let me know that you've been here so I can come back and support you, because that's what it's all about. And until my next video, I want to wish each and every one of y'all a blessed morning, night, noon, evening, whatever it may be when you see this video. I hope you have a blessed one. And don't forget, you can do it. Get up and get going. And push.